Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Bilt Rewards Credit Card. This card is designed to help you earn points on your largest monthly expense. Rent. You can pay your rent through the Bilt app or portal, and the card ensures you never pay a transaction fee. It also offers fantastic benefits beyond rent, making it a versatile tool for everyday spending and future travel. We will cover how to maximize your rewards. Earning Bilt points is straightforward and rewarding. You will earn 1 point for every dollar spent on rent, up to 50,000 points each year, without any fees. Beyond rent, the card offers accelerated earning categories. You will receive 2 points per dollar on travel and an impressive 3 points per dollar on dining. All other eligible purchases earn 1 point per dollar, ensuring every swipe contributes to your rewards balance. Redeeming your Bilt points offers incredible flexibility and value. You can transfer your points at a 1-to-1 ratio to over 10 major airline and hotel loyalty programs, unlocking premium travel experiences. Alternatively, use your points directly towards future rent payments or even save them for a down payment on a home. For lifestyle perks, redeem points for fitness classes or unique experiences available within the Bilt app. To truly maximize your Bilt rewards, remember a few key strategies. Ensure you make at least 5 purchases with your card each statement period. This activates point earning on all your transactions, including rent. Also, mark your calendar for Bilt Rent Day, the first of every month, which often brings exciting bonus earning opportunities. Finally, explore the Bilt dining and travel portals for even more ways to accumulate valuable points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.